what I'm going to do first over here, I'm going to convert mixed number to improper fraction. So I'm going to say that 2 times 12 is 24 plus 1 is 25% over 2, right? It's equivalent to 12.5%. Now, anytime I want to convert percent number to fraction, I have to divide that fraction by 100%. Now, anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy the first fraction down, which is equal to 25% over 2. Division we have to change to the multiplication, and we have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is equal to 1 over 100%. Okay? Now, check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. 25 and 100, both of them are divisible by 25. That's why I'm going to reduce 25 by 25, and 25 divided by 25 is equal 1. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out. And I'm going to have 2, because 2 is not reduced with anything, times 1 over, remember we reduced 25 by 25 and 100 by 25. So 100 divided by 25 is 4. Now we can perform the multiplication. Multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 1 times 1 gives me 1, and 2 times 4 gives me 8. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at another example. Again, anytime I want to convert number to fraction, I have to divide that number, that percent number, by 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out, and I'm going to have 80 over 100. 80 and 100, both of them are divisible by 20. 80 divided by 20 is 4. 100 divided by 20 is 5. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have 42.9%. I have to convert this to fraction. Now, you're supposed to read this number as 42 and 9/10. Okay, so that's why I'm going to write this is equal to 42 and 9/10%. Okay, this is mixed number. I cannot reduce this fraction, so I simply multiply 42 times 10. 42 times 10 is equal to 420, plus 9 is equivalent to 429% over 10. Okay, we said we have to divide that fraction by 100%. Right? Next, remember, first fraction has to be copied down, second has to be flipped upside down. So I'm going to have 429% over 10 times 1 over 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out, and basically I cannot reduce at this moment anything, so that's why I'm going to have 429 over 1000. I cannot reduce this fraction, so that's why this is my solution.